Hello students, welcome to my channel Ahire sir. We are going to see about the practice set 1.2 from the chapter 1 linear equations in two variable. Let's see what is the solution for the practice set 1.2. Basically, in the question number 1, here is one question that is x plus y is equals to 3 and we got this tabular form. So based on the tabular form and depends on the equation, we have to solve the equation and write the values of x. According to the value of x, we have to write the value of y, and where the value of y is given, according to the value of y, we have to write the value of x. And in the last column, we have to write the values of x comma y in this form, such as like simply what you have to do, the in see this one, the 3 comma 0 is given. Okay, it means that the 3 is denoted to the x coordinate and this 0 is denoted to the y coordinate. Here the 0 is already there, so you have to write only a 0. Okay, you have to write only a 0. But what happens in this one? We have only a 5. Okay, we have only the value of 5. We have this equation. We have to put the value of phi. Why we have to put the value of y. It is equals to the 5 here. X plus 5 it is equals to 3. X it is equals to 3. This plus 5 will go there, becomes minus 5. And x it is equals to minus 2. The value here it is minus 2. Now by writing the coordinate, we have to write minus 2 and 5. This is there. And now already the 0 and 3 is here. The 3 denotes the y, this denotes the x. Okay, here that is the answer of the first question from the first question. Okay, first. Now second one, we have the equation x minus y it is equals to 4. Okay, this equation we are having. Depends on the equation, we have to find the value of x, and to the last one we have to find the value of y. So by applying the value of y it is equals to 0, x minus 0 is equal to 4, x it is equals to 4. Okay, so the value of x becomes 4 comma 0. These are the coordinates. By putting the value of x it is equals to minus 1 minus y it is equals to 4 minus y it is equals to 4. This will go there, becomes plus 1, and minus y it is equals to 5, y it is equals to minus 5. Y it is equals to minus 5. Their coordinates are minus 1 and minus 5. Already this is given. So here is the solutions for the question 1. Okay, from the practice set question, practice set 1.2. We will go to the next question number 2. Move towards the question number 2. We have to solve the question number 2 based on the graphical method. Okay, using the bar graph, this graph, we have to solve the question number 2 as well. So first we have the question x plus y is equals to 6, x minus y is equals to 4. This equation we are having. Okay, we can do one thing by putting the value of x, y, and x and y. Okay, we are able to find the value of some coordinates. Okay, we are able to find the value of 3 and 4 coordinates per each equation, and based on some coordinates we will get one, you can say, straight line, and where that both the straight line intersects on that point, the center, or you can say the origin, that will be our, you can say, solutions for it. So when we take this equation x plus y is equals to 6, we have to convert this equation in terms of x or y. It may be varies. Let's say we are making it for the x, it is equals to 6 minus y. Okay, we got this equation in terms of the x. Now by putting the value of y, assuming the value of y, we will get the values of x. Let's say we take the value of first y it is equals to 0, then 1, 2 and 3. Try to maximum 4 coordinates only. Now, when the value of y is equals to 0, 6 minus 0, 6. Okay? By putting the value of y is equals to 1, 6 minus 1, 5. By putting the value of y is equals to 2, 6 minus 2, 4. And this 3. We will get the values, or you can say coordinates 6, 0, 5, 1, 4, 2 and 3, 3. For the next, you can say equation x minus y, it is equals to 4. Same x, y, the coordinates x and y. We have to put this equation in terms of x or y. Here we will putting the value of equation, this equation in terms of y. Minus y is equals to 4 minus x. By cancelling this, you can say minus signs, by you can say multiplying the minus on the both side, y is equals to minus 4 plus x. This will become 7. Now we have to find the value of y. So assume the x 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. If x it is equals to 0, then y is equals to minus 4. If x it is equals to 1, then y is equals to minus 3. If x it is equals to 2, y becomes minus 2. If x it is equals to 3, it becomes minus 1. The coordinates are 0, minus 4, 1, minus 3, 2, minus 2, and this will 3, minus 1. Okay, we got some coordinates for this and this one. Let's draw these coordinates on the graph. Okay, the first coordinate for the first, you can say equation is 6 and 0. 6 is here, 0. Next 5 and 1. 5 and 1. 4, 2, 3, 3. For this one, 0 minus 4. X it is equals to 0 and y is equals to minus 1, minus 4. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. 2 minus 2. 3 minus 1. 2 minus 2. 3 minus 3. Next will 4, 0 and 5, 1. This like this line is like this, and this is the line. And we are getting the origin as x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 1. Okay, so the solution for this equation, it is equals to x it is equals to 5, y it is equals to 1. For the both equations, x and x plus y is equals to 6, x minus y is equals to 4, and for this both the equations, here is the solution. This we are getting by the graphical method. Move on to the question number next. Question number second. A second question from the question number second, which is x plus y is equals to 5 and x minus y is equals to 3. X, y, x and y, these are the coordinates. Okay, and here we are able to make x, y, x and y. Okay, we have to make this equation suitable for the x or y. Let's say y is equals to 5 minus x, and this will becomes x, it is equals to 3 plus y. Okay, what happens, we have to evaluate the values of x, 0, 1, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, and this will be it varies y, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, when x it is equals to 0, y it is equals to 5, 0 and 5. When x it is equals to 1, y it is equals to 5 minus 1, 4. When x it is equals to 2, it becomes 3. When x becomes 3, it becomes 2. For the next one, when y is equals to 0, x is equals to 3. When y is equals to 1, x becomes 4. When y becomes 2, x becomes. When y becomes 3, x becomes. Okay, we are getting the some coordinates. Let's plot these coordinates on the graphically presentation. 0, 5, 0 for the x coordinate and 5 for the y coordinate. These 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 3 and 2. Okay, and for the last one, 3 and 0, 3 and 0, 4 and 1, 5 and 2, 6 and 3. So the line will be like this. The origin is 4 and 1. Where it intersects, it is 4 and 1. So the solution for this equation, x it is equals to 4, y it is equals to 1. These are the solution for this example. Move on to the next one. Next question. Take a screenshot, okay, if you need it. Third question, x plus y is equals to 0, 2x minus y is equals to 4. 4 or 9, I don't know about it, but let's say 4. See, if we change this equation in terms of the x, x will becomes minus y, and for this one 2x. Oh sir, this is a 9, and this is 9. Let's say it is easier to change this equation for the in terms of y. 2x minus 9 it is equals to y. Simple one. This y will go there, becomes plus. This plus 9 there will come here and becomes a minus 9. X, y, x and y. We have to change the values of y. 0, 1, 2 and 3. X, y, x and yeah. X, y, x and y. When y is equals to 0, then x is equals to 0. Coordinates are 0 and 0. Y is equals to 1, x minus 1. Minus 1, 1. Minus 2. Minus 2, 2. Minus 3. Minus 3, 3. These are the coordinates. We have to change the values of x. 0, 1, 2, and 3. When x is equals to 0, 2x 0, y is equals to minus 9. 0 and minus 9. When x is equals to 1, this will becomes 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 9, minus 7. 1 and minus 7. When x is equals to 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 9, minus 5. Coordinates becomes 2 minus 5. When x is equals to 3, 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 9, 6 minus 9, minus 3, 3 and minus 3. We got these coordinates. When we plot these coordinates on the graphs, we will get 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1 from this one and here, minus 2, 2, minus 3, 3, like this. And for the next one, 0 minus 9, 0, and for minus 9, we'll go there. Let's escape it. 1 minus 7, not there. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 5, sorry, 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5, there. 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, yeah. So the coordinates will become, go, or you can say the line becomes like this one, and this will go like this. The origin will be 3 minus 3. Okay, the origin becomes 3 minus 3. So x it is equals to 3, y is equals to minus 3. This is the solution for this question. Okay, I solved the 3 questions. Take a screenshot and you have to solve the 3 remaining questions. This will be your homework. I will solve these 3 questions tomorrow. Okay, you have to solve these 3 questions in your homework part. As this question will be solved, you have to give the answer in comments. I will give the solution by tomorrow. Okay, Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy it. Share this video in your studies group. Okay, thank you.